In this video, I'm going to show you how my own student was able to take her Shopify store from zero all the way up to $20,000 per month with an extremely nice profit margin that she can take to the bank. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build your Shopify store from zero or wherever you are right now, all the way up to more than $20,000 per month, and how to replicate those results again and again. Let's find out. Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here, and before we start, I want to mention that I'm giving away a special mini course from zero all the way up to 5,000 per day that teaches you all the basics to scale up your Shopify store. If you're interested in that mini course, make sure to comment automate. We teach people how to automate their Shopify businesses. Subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I pick one person from every video. And if you're interested in working directly with me and my team to take your Shopify store to the next level, and you're ready to invest in your business and take your business to where you want to be, we're giving away free strategy calls, one-on-one calls, with either me personally or my team. If you're interested in that, make sure to stay until the end of the video to find out. All right, like I said, by the end of this video, how to turn a Shopify store from zero or wherever you are right now to more than $20,000 per month, how my own student was able to do it. Let's start right now. So what this can do, this is Eva. Eva started working with me and my team a few months ago, and now in December of 2019, last month, she was able to hit $20,000 in revenue. This is right before the month started. She was saying, hey, I'm making like 15.5K euros, which is more valuable than the dollar, and she wanted to scale up to 25, 30K, going up and up and up, which is the trend that she's going. She went up from zero all the way up to $1,000 a month, $3,000 a month, $10,000 a month, and now she's gonna scale up to way more than 30, 50,000 a month, potentially with profit. In October and in November, her profit margin was a little bit low. Here you can see like from poor in October to dramatic 5.6 in November, so it wasn't that great. But now in December, she was able to turn that profit into 20% of 17.5K euro, which if we multiply right here in my little calculator, if we multiply 17,500 times 1.12, which is dollars, that's 19.6K, rounded up to 20, and then you multiply that by 20%. That's 3,920 net profit after expenses, after everything. So $3,920 of all profit after expenses, ads, product costs, hiring employees, everything. So it's $4,000 profit per month, which for everybody watching this video, it'll probably change your life if you're making $4,000 per month in profit, and you don't have to make $100K per month, $1 million a month in order to do that. And this can completely change your life. You can quit your job, you can live from the business, so on and so forth. Let's get back to this. Results with profit. Like I said, she went from little, and now she's absolutely crushing it. Next month here in December, she's gonna absolutely smash it. So from zero to 20,000 per month, what I recommend is doing one store at a time. What Eva did was she focused on just one store, and she picked a niche that she's passionate about and she's also an expert in. She's actually her own customer. So the people she's selling to, she's actually one of those people. She buys her own products. So what I recommend is starting niche or general and picking products that you're at least interested in, or like I said here, you have some expertise or passion. I have one of my students who is an expert in fitness, and he actually started selling pet products because he thought pet products are more profitable, and now he find out like he's not really passionate about pets, so the store isn't going that great, and he's going back into fitness to actually start getting sales because that's where he got sales beforehand. So picking a niche that you're actually interested or have some passion, have some expertise in, and picking one solid store to go with, not a bunch of stores at the same time, will give you the best results. Second thing is study your market, your competitors, and their ads. Eva did this all of the time. She prepared a list of her competitors. You can see here, I'm preparing a list. Here are some shops. She would get 4 shops from Germany, 5 shops from the US, here. All of these are my competitors. Check them out. Let me know what you think. So she was doing this all of the time, checking her competitors, checking who could it be, running ads against her, and studying their ads, studying their different angles, their products, what new products are they launching, and continuing to update herself with what's going on in her niche. This is extremely important. A lot of people ignore this. They're like, oh, I know what I'm doing. I'm going to run my store just like I want. And then you ignore your competition. You don't know what other people are doing. You don't look at Facebook ads. And it's super, super easy to just find a store that's doing well, check their Facebook ads in the Facebook ads library, and that's it. Now you know what your competitors are running. Really quick note before we continue, I want to congratulate Daniel Hurdle. Daniel Hurdle, you are the winner of the mini course from the past video. Message me on Facebook to get it. If you want to win, comment, automate, subscribe to that notification bell, and that like, and keep watching the video. And the third thing here is to brand your store as soon as possible. That's what Eva did. She started out branding her store, and it turned into a very successful brand later on. But in the beginning, she was still doing branded. Even though she was getting like 2 or 3 sales a day, she was branding the whole store, making it look very professional, making it look like it was a real company, a bunch of people working on it, and just a very beautiful store. A lot of people don't do this. They just make a random store. It doesn't really look that legitimate, and it doesn't look like a brand at all. People want to buy from companies and legitimate businesses. So if you brand your store, even if you're not making any money, it'll make more money later on because people trust you and they're more likely to buy from you than from some random store. The other thing here is providing a better customer experience. Like I talked about in one of the last videos, having fast shipping is extremely important, especially now coming July 2020 when ePacket from AliExpress is gonna have a ton of changes. If you're interested in knowing AliExpress alternatives and the best things that you should use for fulfillment, make sure to check the description. I put a link to a video down below. So now, important thing to note here, success is gradual. She didn't start making 20K per month with 10% profit margin right away. She was making slowly 3K per month, then 15K per month, then slowly going up to 20K per month and so on. She had her first 1K a day just a couple of weeks back. Then she had her another 1K per day again and again. And she's gonna keep hitting that and hitting 30K per month, 50K per month, 100K per month as she goes. But the success is gradual. Her first month, she made like 500, 600 bucks. Second month, 3,000. Third month, 10,000, and so on and so forth. A lot of people quit because the first month they don't make 10,000 bucks and it makes zero sense. Most of my students, the ones that start out from scratch and zero is the third month when they really start hitting massive, massive profits. Now to the good stuff, Facebook ads, video and image testing. Eva was very meticulous about testing her different videos, different ads, different pictures, and just absolutely narrowing down on the exact creative that worked. What I recommend is either testing one video with 2 different intros, different scroll stoppers, basically the first 3 to 5 seconds of the video, 2 images or multiple images with dynamic creative on Facebook. If you don't know what that is, it's gonna pop up somewhere here. Dynamic creative allows you to test multiple ads at the same time, multiple creatives, multiple videos, multiple images, and so on, and allows you to pick the best one that does from those combinations, or do a slideshow video. That one works well. If you have multiple colors of a particular product, you can put them all in a little slideshow, different images, or a grid of images. So it basically means a cross with 4 images on the actual image itself that people can see, and they can pick which one they like the most. But video testing is extremely important for the brand that we built in the past couple of months, which I'm gonna make a case study on very soon, that we took to 10,000 per month the first month. That particular brand, we tested around 8 videos for that brand. 8 videos, and then one of them was the best one, and that's the one that we scaled up pretty quickly. Take your own videos and images of the product. Order the product from China, get it to your home, actually do a few videos, a few images, and test them. They tend to do really, really well. For my students, they tend to be the best videos that they put out. And it also, you experience the customer a lot more. If you are a user of your product, you're gonna learn how to make ads for a user or a potential customer a lot better, and your results are therefore gonna be a lot better. Eva is a customer for her own brand, and then she just absolutely crushes it because she really understands her people, her audience that are buying her products. The ads have to speak to your audience. What is going on in their head? What are their problems? What are their dreams? What's bothering them? Why would they buy your product apart from anybody else? If you really understand your audience, understand who you're targeting, it's gonna be way easier to actually send them some ads getting them out of the haze of daily life through social media. People are just scrolling. You want to stop them with your ad and then actually get the sale. The last note here, which is extremely important, as you saw, Eva was getting very low profit margins, high revenue. And then I told her, no, you got to focus on the profit and not focus on the revenue. So one thing very important, the first thing that I recommend is just get to 10,000 per month in sales, then focus on getting your profit over 15%. Because getting to 10K per month will allow you to be more flexible, you know more of your market, you know how to actually generate sales profitably, then you can concentrate getting that over 15% like she did. She got it over 20%, and with a profit margin of 15% or more, or 20% like her, scale becomes really easy to achieve because you have that massive margin that you can spend into ads. You can make more mistakes or make ads that don't work more, and you can take more risks in your business. And also, one last thing, use your customers as your own creators. If you have customers, ask for reviews, ask for customer video testimonials, pictures that they're using your product, so you can use that in your ads like I talked about in the last video. And if you're wondering what to do now, how do I become like Eva and actually reach that 20,000 per month, make sure to schedule a strategy call below with me and my team and work with me directly. I help my students directly with my own team. My team works for you. Disclaimer, obviously there is an application process. You will have to put in some questions, answer some questions, and then take a strategy call with us. It's completely for free. The call is free. Working with me, there is a fee, obviously, and you do need some money to invest. So if you're serious about your business, you really want to work with me and actually take your Shopify store, make it profitable, make sure to schedule a call with the second link down in the description. I will say it right there. Work with Rafael directly. Click that link, apply for a strategy session, get on that strategy session, and start taking your shop to the next level. If you like this success story, you will love this video right here, where I showcase a brand that went from 0 all the way up to 50,000 per month with one product dropshipping. An amazing case study. The video absolutely blew up. People love it, so make sure to check it right there. Comment automate down below, schedule your strategy session, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and that like button, and I will see you in the next video.